Yes, children, in today's class, I shall start with exercise 5.1 understanding elementary shapes. Okay. The very first question is, what is the disadvantage in comparing the line segments by mere observation? Okay. Now let us draw a line segment of any measurement. Okay. This is a line segment I have drawn and I have marked this as A and B. If I observe this and say that this length is say 3 centimeters by observation. By observation, I say it is 3 centimeter. Okay. Now I measure using the scale. Look here. I'll measure using the scale. Say, see, it came around say 5 this point, like no. So this is say 5.8. See, when I measured it, I found that this is 5.8 centimeter in actual. ठीक है, this is actual length. Actual length is 5.8 centimeter and I just looking at the line segment, I said this is 3 centimeter. So what is the disadvantage in comparing the line segment by mere observation? It is we will not get the actual length. The actual length by mere observation. ठीक है. अब next है, it is better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the line segment. Okay. ठीक है, ये मैंने एक लाइन सेगमेंट बना दी. I name it as A and B. Okay. Now with ruler, length is, I'll measure it, see here. This is say it is somewhere here. So this is say 7.3 centimeters. According to this ruler, it is 7.3 centimeters. Okay. Now using the divider. ठीक है, डिवाइडर क्या होता है? डिवाइडर ये होता है. अब एग्जैक्टली टिप टू टिप रखेंगे. देखो ये यहाँ रखा और दूसरा एकदम इसके यहाँ पे रखा. देखो ये. ठीक है, अब हम रूलर के ऊपर रखते हैं. देखो अब ये देखो, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट कमिंग 7.1 सेंटीमीटर. दिख रहा है? ऑलमोस्ट 7.1 सेंटीमीटर. तो यूजिंग डिवाइडर वी ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट इट इज 7.1 centimeter. So here what do we come to know? That it is better to use divider than the ruler while measuring the line length of the line segment to get the accurate measurement. To get the accurate measurement, we use divider. We use divider. Is this clear? Now coming to the next question. See here, The next question is draw a line segment AB. Okay, I am drawing a line segment AB. I have drawn a line segment AB. ठीक है. Now take a point C lying in between A and B. Right? We will take point C. I will take it here. ठीक है. C lying between A and B. Between का मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि बीच में, एकदम बीच में. इन दोनों के बीच में कहीं भी हो सकता है वो पॉइंट. एकदम सेंटर पॉइंट नहीं है, कहीं भी हो सकता है. तो आई हैव टेकन इट हियर. ठीक है. नाउ मेजर लेंस ए बी बी सी एंड ए सी. ठीक है. तो मेजर का पहले हम लिख लेते हैं. ड्रॉन लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी एंड marked a point C anywhere between AB. ठीक है. Now measuring AB BC AC, AB BC AC. अब आप ए बी मेजर करो. ए बी इज इक्वल टू, देखो, ए बी इज इक्वल टू 9 सेंटीमीटर्स. ठीक है. ए बी इज 9 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके. नाउ इट इज बी सी. लेट अस मेजर बी सी. बी सी कितना हुआ? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. ठीक है. हम इसको मेजर करते हैं. देखो, दिस इज 5.8. BC इज 5.8. ठीक है. Now we measure AC. AC is, it is coming 3.2. AC is coming 3.2 centimeters. ठीक है. Now is AB equal to AC plus BC? तो ए बी तो हमको पता है 9 सेंटीमीटर. वी एड ए सी एंड बी सी. नाउ ए सी प्लस सी बी. सी बी या बी सी एक ही बात है. ठीक है. तो ए सी कितना है? 3.2 सेंटीमीटर्स प्लस सी बी कितना है? 5.8 सेंटीमीटर्स. इसको ऐड करो 3.2 और 5.8 को. 8 and 2 10, carry 1, 5 and 1 6 and 3 9. So and here AB also it is 9 centimeters. तो यहाँ पे बोलेंगे therefore AB is equal to AC plus CB. All right. Now coming to question number 4. If A, B, C are 3 points, if A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is equal to 5 centimeters. हम बनाते हैं पहले AB equal to 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeter mark and this is, so from here we make it like this. Okay. This is AB equal to 5 centimeters. Now BC is 3 centimeters. This is 3 centimeter mark. This is BC 3 centimeters. ठीक है? And it is given AC is equal to 8 centimeters. It is given AC is equal to 8 centimeters. This is 8 centimeter mark. We mark it here. AC is equal to 8 centimeters. Now it is asked which one of them lies between the other two. Now we finally construct. AC is 8 centimeters. See here, this is A point, this is C point, and this is B point. Now here AB is how much? 5 centimeter. BC is 3 centimeter and AC is 8 centimeters. Alright, now it is asked which one of them lies between the other two. So here what do we see? We observe that B lies between A and C. We observe that B lies between A and C. Is this clear, children? First I have drawn AB equal to 5 centimeter, then drawn BC equal to 3 centimeter, then drawn AC is equal to 8 centimeter. Then we constructed together the line segment with the given measurements. AC 8 centimeter, marked a point B such that AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 3 centimeter, and then finally concluded that B lies between A and C. Is that clear? Okay. So I wind up here. In the next class I shall start with question number 5.